Welcome children to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss an interesting and exciting topic called shapes. Shapes means shape is the form of an object. Shape is the form of an object. There are two types: 2D shapes, 3D shapes. 2D shapes, 3D shapes. D means dimension. Dimension means measurement. Dimension means measurement. Okay, children, can you recognize these shapes? Yes. Rectangle, square, triangle. These are called 2D shapes. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. These are called 3D shapes. Okay, children. Before going to discuss about shapes, let us discuss about three definitions. First one, face. What is face? What is appearing to us, that is called face. What is appearing to us, that is called face. Next, second one, vertices. Vertices means a point where two or more lines meet is called vertex. The plural form of vertex is called vertices. Next, third one, edges. Edges means the line segment going to vertices is called an edge. There will be no edge for curved surface. There will be no edge for curved surface. Do you understand, children? The above discussed definitions are more important to study about the shapes. Now let us discuss about some shapes. Children, this is cube. This is cube. A cube has 6 faces. A cube has 6 faces. All the 6 faces are plane faces. All the 6 faces are plane faces. No curved face. Edges 12. 12 edges and vertices 8. A cube has 6 faces. All faces are plane faces. 12 edges and 8 vertices. Next, cuboid. A cuboid also 6 faces. All faces are plane faces, no curved face. It also 12 edges and 8 vertices. For example, cuboid example, brick, children. Cube example, dice. Cube example, dice. Cuboid example, brick. This is cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. A cylinder has 3 faces. 2 plane faces. Above and under faces are plane faces. Middle of the face is curved face. Above face, under face are plane faces. Middle the face is curved face. 2 edges. How many edges? 2 edges. Vertices? No vertices. For example, bottle, our pen, these are cylinder shapes. Next, sphere. A sphere has only one face. A sphere has only one face. No plane surfaces. Only one curved face. No edges and no vertices. Next, pyramid. A pyramid has 5 faces. How many faces? A pyramid has 5 faces. 5 are plane faces. 5 faces are plane. No curved face. Edges, 8 edges. Vertices, 5. Last one, cone. A cone has 2 faces. A cone has 2 faces. One is plane and another is curved face. One edge and one vertex. Vertex 1, edge 1. One plane face and one curved face. For example, cone example is cone ice cream, etc. Children, I will show some shapes. Say their name and faces, vertices, edges. First one, what is this, ma? This is a cube. This is a cube. Name cube. How many faces cube has? Cube has 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. Vertices how many, ma? 8. Edges 12. Name cube. Faces 6. Vertices 8. Edges 12. Next, second one is sphere. Second one is sphere. Sphere has only one face. Sphere has only one face. No edges. No edges. No vertices. Sphere has only one face, no vertices and no edges. Next, third one is cuboid. Third one is cuboid. This name is cuboid. Faces. How many faces cuboid has? Cuboid has 6 faces. Cuboid has 6 faces. Vertices how many, ma? 8. Vertices 8. Edges 12. Edges 12. What is this? This is the cylinder. This is the cylinder. A cylinder has how many faces? 3. Cylinder has 3 faces. 2 plain faces, 1 curved face. A cylinder has 2 plain faces and 1 curved face. Vertices how many? No, 0. No vertices. Edges 2 edges. 2 edges. Next one is pyramid. Next one is pyramid. A pyramid has 5 plain faces. A pyramid has 5 plain faces. Next, vertices 5. Vertices 5. Edges 8. How many edges? 8. Last one, cone. Cone. A cone has 2 faces. A cone has 2 faces. One is curved, another is plain. One is curved face, another is plain face. And edges, 1 edges and vertices 1. 1 vertex and 1 edge. A cone has 2 faces. One is curved face, another is plain face. Vertex 1 and edges 1. Okay children, thank you.